10 shocking things that will happen when we quit social media. First is focusing. Not using social media platforms like Facebook will allow you to concentrate on the things that you wanted to work on that were long due. Social media is addictive. It makes us really difficult to look at the outside world rather than checking our phones every few minutes for updates. As soon as we cross the barrier and delete our account on platforms that we spend our most time on, we will be able to focus on things that are really important in our lives. There are a number of things one could spend their time after quitting social media, like pursuing our hobbies, doing other activities. It can help us focus on our lives in a much better way. Second is brain dead. Quitting social media can be really hard as we are glued to our phones, becoming more and more attached to our digital image. While using it, we are not even using our brain to even the tiniest potential. Even when we are going out, most of us spend our time clicking perfect pictures to post them. Doing all these things is removing us from having what real life experiences has to offer. World looks way better when looked through our eyes than a camera lens. Third is using as a tool. Major social media platforms try to just make profit from the data they have about users, even using our sensitive information without consent. The sole purpose for having an account is to extract the information, get users to interact with advertisements they put out, and spend more money on purchases for the sake of profits. Freeing yourself off from this web is really tough and also an important decision to make nowadays. Fourth is anxiety. Heavy social media usage can increase risk of depression, anxiety, and even suicidal thoughts. With the increasing use, instead of building social connections, it is making us feel more lonely and isolated. Even sometimes when we are in a socially awkward situation, we turn to our phones and log into social media instead of facing it. It only denies face-to-face interactions, which can help ease anxiety. As we concentrate more on our daily lives, we would be able to observe our communication skills get better with time. Fifth is satisfaction. Studies have shown that daily social media usage triggers feeling of jealousy in users. Most people are envious of what other people have, like a new mobile phone or a luxury car. The problem with these social media platforms is that it is okay to show off new things that you have. But it is also a place where you are going to see all the stuff that someone else has that you don't. This creates a vicious circle of jealousy and envy. Getting off of social media, even for some time, can be really good solution to get satisfaction in our lives other than materialistic things. Sixth is attachment to likes. Getting more and more attached to our digital image can be very dangerous for us. People need to understand focusing and building a real life identity is more important. Likes on social media platform has had a big impact on our minds. Likes on Facebook or Instagram don't have any existence in real life. It is really important to take a break from social media if it is causing mental health problems for users. Seventh is real friends. Making friends online is easy, Liking each other's stuff and commenting on their pics seems easy, right? But we need to realize that Facebook friends are not our real life friends. As soon as we quit Facebook, we would be able to find out who our real friends are. Those people who will still contact you rather than messaging you in your inbox. Eighth is stalkers. With easy access, it takes only a couple of clicks to go through someone's posts, pictures, and even their friend list. Even with high privacy settings, Facebook still shows information about you. With new tagging features, people not on your friend list can see where you have been tagged. If you are having privacy concerns, getting rid of social media accounts can be a solution. Ninth is feeling better. Evidence from various studies have shown that pictures of influencers and celebrities online can influence teenagers in a negative way. This can lead to lower self-esteem and negative body image. Another reason includes no likes on your pictures, no good comments, impact mental health as well. We are always comparing ourselves how others are feeling more happy in their lives. Feeling better about yourself is important as there is always someone who's doing better than us. 10th is feeling more accomplished. Fear of missing out, FOMO, also induces anxiety in our lives. It pushes us to check our phones every few minutes for updates, even taking risks like while driving. Spending time on social media denies the feeling of completing something, be it a book or TV show. When one is not constantly checking in and doing things that matter, he or she will naturally feel more accomplished. Do you also think social media has caused more harm than good to people using it? Do let us know in the comments below.